कोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Good evening all and welcome to the beautiful eve of Umang, a ray of hope. I, Shruti, on behalf of Umang, welcomes you all to enjoy and take the insights from our keynote speakers as well. What a beautiful evening it is. We all are together here at one platform where we are going to witness some amazing people speaking out their stories and telling us their insights. The theme for our
Umang committee, Mitiksha. I got a number from Shruti. She asked me to
can I
call
all
you
can
like
all the
to join the
muted?
meeting call.
Muted. Yeah. So here we have the theme for week 1, that is Pursuit of Happiness. खुशी की तलाश में. मैं आप सभी से जानना चाहूंगी, क्या हम वाकई खुशी की तलाश करते रहते हैं या फिर वो हम सबके पास होती है ऑलरेडी? You can unmute and answer.
I think सबके पास होती है, फिर भी हम तलाश करते रहते हैं.
बिल्कुल. अब जैसा कि हम देख पा रहे हैं कि हमारे इस इवेंट का नाम उमंग है. क्या आपने कभी सोचा है उमंग क्या होती है? उमंग हर उगती हुई किरण के साथ हमारे साथ होती है. जब शाम ढल भी जाती है तो वो हमारी आशाओं के रंगों के साथ होती है. यही एक उमंग है हमारे जीवन की, जिसके साथ हम आगे बढ़ते हैं और निरंतर प्रयास करते रहते हैं ताकि हम कुछ अच्छा हासिल कर सकें. आइए तो देखते हैं कि हम कैसे इस खुशी की तलाश करते हैं और कहां तक जाते हैं. And I would like to also inform you, have you ever thought why we are just searching the happiness but we never find it? Because we try to find it in the materialistic things, not inside us all. I would like you all to today find it out inside all of us. The next 1.5 hours, we are going to end this pursuit of happiness to some extent, where we will be finding something meaningful with the insights and stories shared by all our participants and the speakers. With this, we can start our journey on this session and we can go ahead with our further speakers. तो क्या आप सब तैयार हैं इस सफर पे चलने के लिए?
Yes.
So now we will be starting our prepared speech round. In this round, I would like Mitiksha to share the timing part. The prepared speakers will be presenting their speeches for 2 to 3 minutes, and Mitiksha will be showing the green card at 2 minutes. 2.5 minutes will be yellow card, and 3 minutes will be red card. Mitiksha, you can share the instructions as well.
Am I audible? Okay.
Yes, you are.
So for prepared speakers, storytelling and poetry, the time limit is 2 to 3 minutes. Green card मैं आपको 2 minutes पे शो करूंगी और ध्यान रखिएगा 5 सेकंड के लिए मेरी स्क्रीन दिखेगी. जब आप बोल रहे हो तो आप अपना चेक बॉक्स ऑन रखिएगा. मैं उधर साइन करती रहूंगी कि मैं कौन सा कार्ड दिखा रही हूँ. 2 मिनट होने पर यू विल बी शोन green card and at 2.5 minutes, that is mean time, आपको येलो कार्ड मिलेगा और फिर रेड कार्ड. मैं जब टाइम आएगा अपने कार्ड शो करने आऊंगी. तो समय का ध्यान रखें, अपनी परफॉर्मेंस का ध्यान रखें और जोरदार परफॉर्मेंस दे. और हाँ, परफॉर्मेंसेस जो होंगी रक्षना और वैष्णवी के द्वारा वो 3 से 4 मिनट होगी. तो 3 मिनट पे मैं आपको ग्रीन शो करूंगी 5 सेकंड के, 3.5 मिनट पे येलो एंड 4 मिनट्स पे रेड, और 30 सेकंड आपको ग्रेस पीरियड मिलेगा, एक्स्ट्रा टाइम मिलेगा. रेड कार्ड के बाद आपको समझ जाना है कि आपके पास 30 सेकंड रह गए हैं, तो आपको कंटेंट उसी में रैप अप करना है. और 30 सेकंड के बाद आपको अल्टीमेटली अपने आप ऑटोमेटिकली म्यूट हो जाएंगे आप. तो चैट बॉक्स का ध्यान रखिएगा और स्क्रीन का ध्यान रखिएगा. थैंक यू.
Okay.
ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.
our first contestant for prepared speech round, who is an explorer and wants to be very kind to nature and enjoy it at the fullest. So let's welcome Parul Chauhan, our first contestant for prepared speech.
Thank
May
you,
we have
Shruti. Am I audible? Yeah, am I audible and visible?
Yes, you are.
Okay. Once upon a time, cuteness was overloading when I was child. Not only cuteness, fun, joy, everything was fully loaded with happiness. I was very content with the given options of toys, food, and clothes. First time when I sensed my mother and other people through my touch. First time I observed beautiful world with my tiny eyes. First time I get hold of my body. I enjoyed every bit of exploring myself. With time, I became teenage girl, then young lady. Slowly some and other burden of life phases keep on adding. Meanwhile, or many a times, I behave like a childly. Family members and elder always comment, Parul, grow up, you are no more child. Have you also heard similar phrases? I'm sure you have. Now we have all accepted ourselves as a mature individuals and our priority has changed. We started chasing for material things like money, more property, cars, success, and high class life. Last year, I became mother. When I see my child expressing and behaving cutely, all this experience are like music to the ears of any mother. When I see him expressing all emotions like smiling, laughing, kissing, hugging, making cute faces, and crying in the middle of night, he always express more positive feeling and always get rates of unpleasant experience easily. He always exploring and learning new things. He is always on the cloud nine. Then one question came in my mind. Then why this equation get reversed when we get younger? Why can't we have similar fun like child? Happiness is an emotional state defined by uh, well-being, defined by positive or pleasant experience ranging from contentment to intense joy. Happier people tend to find more happiness and success everywhere they go. Let me give you another real life example. My ex-colleague TCS friend Bhupendra Tripathi, who diagnosed with cancer, he had gone through chemotherapy. Because of his positive nature and acknowledgement to the situations, he could recover. He not only prepared for government exam, he also joined RBI. He lost his eyes during chemotherapy. Now he counsels and motivates cancer affected people and patients. He proved that life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how do you react to it. Both these incidents help me. Both this incident helped me to change myself. Now I could find happiness in small things like discussing funny things on the table while eating, while discussing or while cleaning the house or while talking with strangers. I shared unlimited laughters with uh, tears of joy. All these laughters ignite uncontagious joys with others. Friends, let me share a wisdom here. Don't get upset with people and situations. Both are powerless without your reactions.
Thank you, Parul, for giving such a great and insightful speech. Now, when we have saw the first gem of our evening, are you all ready to witness the next one? Here we have our second contestant, K. Varun, to give his prepared speech, who is a very confident speaker and is ready to share his journey of pursuit of happiness.
Fine, am I audible?
Varun, you are. Can we have him on the spotlight?
Am I audible?
Yes, Varun, you are audible. Please switch
fine.
on your video.
Is it mandatory? Yeah. Am I visible now? Am I audible and visible?
Yes, you are.
Fine. First of all, I would like to congratulate everyone to being here, because this world is surrounded by dangers, but we still find happiness. So I'll start up with a line that, we often as people find happiness and we search for happiness, right? So first of all, after a point of time in life, pursuing happiness is the most misunderstood word. So let me tell a short story and I'll defend my statement. So there were two boys called two grown gentlemen called Sai and Joel. Both had a business conflict, and one of the one started to taking his decision very kindly, and he actually thought to suicide. And the other one in this process tried to save him, and he died. And he had a wife who was 9 months pregnant and was about to deliver a child. And he went there. Sai went there to his wife and to apologize and said that whatever happened has happened now. What can I do to you so that you can live a better life? And she was about to deliver a baby, and he helped her to deliver his child. And he again a girl child was born safely and securely. And then he thought for some time and made a decision that he can't leave her alone. And then he took her and his child to his home, where they were more three brothers. And his parents looked at him and said that what are you doing? But he was actually had a conviction and thought that this is the right thing to do. But if you look at this is something which the society doesn't accept, and this is not a perfect relationship. But after few time and after some years, they actually live very happily. So if you see at this family where somebody else has come, which is not an acceptable relationship yet and is so flawed, but they lived so happily. But if you see in the same street where these people lived, they were so much perfect marriages and which were flawless, but still they had problems in it. So what I'm trying to say is that in life, if you want to find happiness, you have to make the decisions which has to be backed by your own instinct, which has to be good. It doesn't matter what happens or what the result of the decision you're taking, but it's always good to take good decisions from heart and back them, which will always lead to happiness. If you have good thought, it will lead to good action, and good actions will never lead to bad results. So life is like a river. If you flow with it, you will have stones in between you will get hurt. But if you flow in a different direction, which is opposite to the river, you'll not able to live. It will become excruciating at point. So at life, I define happiness in making the small decisions in life and having a good instinct and backing them, and that's where you'll live more happily. So as people said, life is always about backing good decisions, and happiness lies within. So thank you. This is Varun signing off. Thank you.
For an amazing speech and making us all a little bit more inspired. Now, when we have witnessed such great speakers who have shared their insights on our theme, now what do you think? Who might be coming next? Let me tell you. Are you all eager to sink into the depth of music and get something really interesting? With this, I would like to call our first performer of the day, Rakshana, for presenting her performance by singing. Can we have Rakshana?
Hi. Am I audible and visible? Is that okay?
Perfectly fine.
Yeah. So I'm Rakshana, and there's not much about me except that I sing decently. And so Here we go. कैसे तेरे खुदगर्जी ना दूं कुछ मेरा चाहूं, कैसे तेरे खुदगर्जी किसी ठोर ठिकाना पाऊं, कैसे तेरे खुदगर्जी ना दूं कुछ मेरा चाहूं, कैसे तेरे खुदगर्जी किसी ठोर ठिकाना पाऊं। मस्त मौला मस्त कलंदर तर लिया तू साथ समंदर, फिर भी सूखा मन के अंदर क्यों रहेगा ये कबीरा। मारे जा ये फकीरा, मारे जा आजा तुझे को पुकारे तेरी परछाइयां रे कबीरा। मारे जा ये फकीरा, आई भूल जा कैसा तू है निर्मोही, कैसा हर झाड़ियां। मेहरबानी जाते जाते मुझ पे कर गया, गुजरता सा लम्हा एक दामन भर गया, तेरा नजारा मिला रोशन सितारा मिला, तकदीर की कश्तियों को किनारा मिला। सदियों से तरसे हैं जैसी जिंदगी के लिए, तेरी सोहबत में दुआएं हैं उसी के लिए, तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा। मांग मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता। कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता। तू हम सफर है फिर क्या फिक्र है, जीने की वजह यही है मरना इसी के लिए। टूटी चारपाई वही ठंडी पूरवाही, रास्ता देखे दूधों की मलाई वही मिट्टी की सराही, रास्ता देखे कैसी तेरी खुदगर्जी, लब नमक रमे नाम सिर कैसी तेरी खुदगर्जी, तुझे प्रीत पुरानी मिसरी। मस्त मौला मस्त कलंदर तू हवा का एक बवंडर, फिर भी सूखा मन के अंदर क्यों रहेगा रे कबीरा। मारे जा रे फकीरा, मारे जा आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयां रे कबीरा। मारे जा रे फकीरा, आई भूल जा कैसा तू है निर्मोही, कैसा हर जाइया। Thank you.
Wow, what a performance. Can we have a big round of applause for Rakshana? Although I know we can have virtual round of applause. We all were just into it. If timer would not have been there, we would have loved to listen you complete session. Now, when we have seen such a great performers, what do you think? What might be coming up next? Okay. For that, I would be presenting here 4 lines. ये देखने के बाद मुझे 4 पंक्तियां याद आ रही हैं जिन्हें मैं दोहराना चाहूंगी. खुशियों की तलाश में हम कहां से कहां तक भटक लिए. खुशियों की तलाश में हम कहां से कहां तक भटक लिए. कभी पूर्व से पश्चिम तक तो कभी उत्तर से दक्षिण तक दौड़ लिए. तो आइए अब हम चलते हैं. जैसे कि आप सभी जान गए होंगे कि हम जाने वाले हैं अपने पोएट्री सेक्शन की तरफ. आप सभी तैयार हैं? You can show a thumbs up or raise hand. Okay. So now we have our 2 poets who will be sharing their thoughts in the form of poetry. Calling up first contestant, who is a tech enthusiast and a researcher in NLP and automation by profession. Also, he is a nature lover and a Toastmaster. Also, he has won the Toastmaster of the Year award for this year 2019 and 20. Can we have Toastmaster Akshay on the stage?
Hello everyone. Am I audible, visible?
Yes, you are.
Let me know once I can start.
Yes, you can start.
Okay. Place that brings me closer to happiness. When the night was dark, moonshine was the only light that I followed. Distant stars in the sky seemed so distant, like my relatives during this lockdown who are far away during the festive season, and I'm all alone. I wonder, I think, I wish I was there, under the dark blanket of the pitch black sky, following the light of the moon as it shined over me. It was the light which seemed as the beam from the lighthouse, guiding my path along the shores of the city that never sleeps. Figures of humans kept passing by me without even interaction, as I didn't know them. Never a word was exchanged. But sometimes the human's best friend, accompanied by them, used to cut my eyes, and I used to have a smile. The darkness in the night used to disappear, and all around me I felt joy and immense happiness. Night after night, I kept on walking this path, not to find anyone, but to lose myself among the crowd which I found over there. As they say, it is the reason if you lose yourself, you can truly discover yourself. Closing my eyes, listening to the unknowns who spoke to me, which felt like a music to my ears. Their pains all striking over the obstacles that stood in front of them, tall and sturdy. They knew that they have to keep on striking because these unknowns kept sharing their pain, which felt sometimes like a music. Maybe they might be aware that moving forward is always the best choice. Losing myself here always felt the best option that I had chosen for myself to be happy. Hope soon the city of dreams is back to normal and awake with full spirits where I can enjoy this happiness in the form of sounds of the waves, picturesque sunset drawn by the Almighty, the barking of the dogs and other animals around, and the walk by the rocks along the shore. Otherwise, such random thoughts keep accumulating my mind day after day during this lockdown because I'm unable to visit my place of happiness, that sometimes people also remember as the beautiful necklace of Queen that shines clearly from the night if you're flying high up in the sky among the clouds. I am still trying to reach my place that brings me closer to happiness. Over to you.
Wow. Thank you, Toastmaster Akshay, for giving us such a great performance. Now, we can definitely applaud virtually. And presenting to you our next poet, who is the one about whom I have heard so much, but have never met or seen her. She is a poet inside, powered by thoughts and driven by words. It's Sonali Pandey. Can we have her on the spotlight?
Hi everyone. Let me know once I can start.
Yes, you can start.
इस लॉकडाउन में खुद से मिलने का थोड़ा सा टाइम मिल पाया, तब एक क्यूट सा कपल मेरी जिंदगी में आया. अपनी पोएट्री को एक किक स्टार्ट देते हैं और इस परस्यूट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस में उसी कपल को ट्रिब्यूट देते हैं. वो कपल कोई और नहीं, डोंट टेक इट रॉन्ग, वो कपल कोई और नहीं, मेरी डायरी और मेरा पेन था. और इट एक्सप्रेस्ड कि कौन मेरे लिए कितना अहम था. इट एक्सप्रेस्ड कि कौन मेरे लिए कितना अहम था. ये पेन बेजुबान होकर भी मेरी फीलिंग्स का अल्फाज बन जाता है और थैंक्स टू इट अब हर कोरा कागज कहानियों की किताब बन जाता है. अब हर कोरा कागज कहानियों की किताब बन जाता है. और माय डियर डायरी हाँ भाई हाँ, तुम मेरे दिल को बड़ा सुकून देती हो. मेरे एहसासों को पलकों में भरकर तुम आंखें मूंद लेती हो. मेरे एहसासों को पलकों में भरकर तुम आंखें मूंद लेती हो. मेरे मन की शांति तुमने अपनी रूह में उकेरी थी. मेरे मन की शांति तुमने अपनी रूह में उकेरी थी. तब मुझे पता चला कि मैं दुनिया में कितनी अकेली थी. तब मुझे पता चला कि मैं दुनिया में कितनी अकेली थी. तुम्हारे कारण मेरे कई नए रिश्ते बन गए. कई बिखरे हुए पहलू फिर से संभल गए. कई बिखरे हुए पहलू फिर से संभल गए. तुम पे अंकित शांति गर्त मुझे शांति का आभास कराता है. मानव श्रृंखला के धन्य होने का विश्वास कराता है. ये मेरी कुछ पोएम्स हैं पुरानी. वो मदर्स डे पे मम्मी की खुशी वाले आंसू और 500 का नोट जो मेरी गुल्लक में डला है. वो मदर्स डे पे मम्मी की खुशी वाले आंसू और 500 का नोट जो मेरी गुल्लक में डला है. उससे जुड़ी लाखों दुआओं का मोल कहाँ भला है. उससे जुड़ी लाखों दुआओं का मोल कहाँ भला है. और वो मन की मनमानी मैंने सबसे पहले तुमसे ही कही थी. और वो फ्रेंड जोन होने वाली तकलीफ भी मेरे साथ तुमने ही सही थी. वो फ्रेंड जोन होने वाली तकलीफ भी मेरे साथ तुमने ही सही थी. और वो इंटर्नशिप वाली डायरीज उसने तो मुझे थोड़ा सा पॉपुलर बना दिया. नर्ड से सुपर कूल वाली श्रेणी में ला दिया. सबकी जुबान पर यही था कि सबके राज ऐसे बताएगी क्या. अरे बस कर पगली अब रुलाएगी क्या. अरे बस कर पगली अब रुलाएगी क्या. और मेरे गुस्से, घुटन और ग्रैटिट्यूड को तुमने अपनी बाहों में समेटा है. और वो फ्रेंड से फैमिली वाला सफर भी तुम्हारे पन्नों ने देखा है. वो फ्रेंड से फैमिली वाला सफर भी तुम्हारे पन्नों में रहता है. वो छोटी छोटी शायरियां जिनसे मेरा इंस्टाग्राम गुलजार है. मेरी डायरी और पेन उसका मुख्य किरदार है. मेरा केतरी जी वाला फील, कभी खुशी कभी गम, मेरा केतरी जी वाला फील तुमने खूब सिम्युलेट किया है. आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू यू कि तुमने मेरी खुशियों को इंटीग्रेट किया है. तुमने मेरी खुशियों को इंटीग्रेट किया है. ऑन द लास्ट नोट, थैंक यू सो मच कि तुम हर पल मेरे साथ हो. मेरी पेन और मेरी डायरी, तुम मेरे लिए बैंक ऑफ एहसास हो. तुम मेरे लिए बैंक ऑफ एहसास हो. थैंक यू सो मच.
Amazing words presented beautifully. Thank you, Sonali, for being here. May we have a round of applause for her? Now, our next performer is just a college student, but she is very passionate about music and a music lover. She always loves to listen classical music. And now, I would be calling our next performer Vaishnavi Sharma for her performance.
Hello. Hello.
You are audible.
Okay. So hello everyone. I'm gonna sing a song. Hope you like it. May I start?
Yes, please.
ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों की ताजे, ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जालझे, कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहाई सुलझी, है रोम रोम एक तारा, है रोम रोम एक तारा, जो बादलों में से गुजरे, हाँ ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जालझे, कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहाई तुझे, तू होगा जरा पागल तूने मुझको है चुना, तू होगा जरा पागल तूने मुझको है चुना, कैसे दुनिया ने कहा सब सुना, तू होगा जरा पागल तूने मुझको है चुना, तू दिन सा है मैं रात आना दोनों मिल जाए शामों की तरह, ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरे उंगलियों से जालझे, कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहाई तुझे, कि तेरी झूठी बातें मैं सारी मान लूं, कि तेरी झूठी बातें मैं सारी मान लूं, आँखों से तेरी सच सब कुछ अभी जान लूं, कि तेरी झूठी बातें मैं सारी मान लूं, तेज है धारा बहते से हम आवारा, आँखों के साथ लिया, ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जालझे, कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहाई तुझे। Thank you.
Amazing performance. May we all have a great round of applause. I was so delved into your song that I was completely lost. Now, we have witnessed the great talents over here, which are so mesmerizing that nobody would like to leave. Now, we are going to have the next segment, which is storytelling. We all like stories. Who don't like to listen to stories? So for that, we have our another contestant. She is from Agra and is a great, kind-hearted person who is not only talented but fun-loving as well. So with a huge round of applause, let's welcome Yatika Gupta.
Hello everyone. Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, but you are not visible.
I started my video now.
Yeah, now you are.
Okay. First of all, thank you, Shruti, for your nice words. Okay, so I'm starting. छूले आसमां जमी की तलाश न कर, जी ले जिंदगी खुशी की तलाश न कर, तकदीर बदल जाएगी खुद ही, मुस्कुराना सीख ले, वजह की तलाश न कर. We all are happiness seeker. So, good evening everyone. I, Yatika Gupta, one of the happiness seeker, want to express my view on pursuit of happiness. Khushi ki talash. Talash, I guess, is the positive word, isn't it? Think it once. If we don't pursue happiness, do we have any goal in our life? Do we have any excitement in our life? No. Pursuit of happiness gives meaning to our life. Only the ways are different to pursue it. Like some wants to get married, some want to do job, and so on. But the destination is same. That is happiness. If you want to be happy, you must become a happiness seeker. You have to think about happiness, look for the happiness, seize the happiness, and believe with all of your heart that you deserve happiness. So, being a happiness seeker is awesome. We all who present here must have quest for happiness, and why shouldn't we have it? Now, I am going to share a little story of mine. I have completed Master of Business Administration and want to become a banker, and preparing from last 3 years. Yes, last 3 years. Everything takes time, right? Even good thing takes more time. It's easy to say but hard to believe. When you want to crack some competitive exam or want to reach a destination, you only dream for the destination. Similarly, I did. I made a mindset that I will get select in bank and that make me happy and forgot to live my journey. Selection is the reason I was living for. I pursued my happiness in getting selected, and this was my mistake. After a long time, I have realized that I should enjoy the journey because when journey is beautiful, destination is more beautiful. So I got the message that pursuit of happiness gives you meaning to live your life, and pursue your happiness with happiness will let you live each moment with joy. And at the last, I want to say, रात सुबह का इंतजार नहीं करती, रात सुबह का इंतजार नहीं करती, खुशबू मौसम का इंतजार नहीं करती, जो भी खुशी मिले उसको जी लो जी भर के, क्योंकि जिंदगी वक्त का इंतजार नहीं करती. So, be a seeker, live every moment and pursue your happiness with happiness. Thank you.
Wow, what a great message delivered. Be a happiness seeker. Can we have a virtual round of applause for her?
Thank you so much.
Thanks. Now, moving on, we have our second contestant for storytelling. Can we have all others on mute, please? Who is a proud mom and a humble teacher. I would like to welcome Sarika over stage.
Hello, everyone.
You are audible and visible.
Okay, so shall I start?
Yes, you can.
Good evening, fellow Toastmasters, friends, and guests. This story is about a heart that can be yours, mine, theirs, ours. It doesn't matter in which individual the heart beats. The story is only about heart. Every night when the individual goes to sleep, the heart wakes him up and says, "Dude, I'm not happy. Do something about it." The individual talks to his heart and asks, "Why are you not happy?" The heart says, "You didn't get a job. You didn't get the first rank. You are dark, you're skinny, you're fat, you're too handsome, you're too beautiful. You are teased, you are not teased. You like being the center of attraction. You don't like being the center of attraction." There are 101 things the heart tells the individual, and the individual doesn't sleep. Every night, the individual does the same thing. He wants to put his pillow on his face and probably die, but he doesn't because his heart says, "No, no, 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 don't do that to me. I just want to be happy." The individual asks, "How am I supposed to make you happy?" Heart says, I don't know, just do something to make me happy. The individual sketches a plan for the next 30 days. One day he goes to the movies. One day he spends at the mall. One day he only meditates. One day he's spiritual. The other day he's a party goer. Nothing that he does makes his heart happy. One fine day he's sitting under a tree, probably a Buddha-like tree. And he's sitting there and wondering, how the hell can a human being make a heart happy? Then he saw a group of school children laughing for absolutely no reason. He went to them and asked what happened. One small, tiny fellow said that my friend fell in the mud and then we started laughing. The individual that day came back home and had a moment of epiphany. That day, when he spoke to his heart, he said, I don't care what I do. I just want you to be happy. Be happy. It doesn't matter what I do. I want to end this with a very beautiful quote, which is said by William Saroyan. The greatest happiness you can have is knowing that you do not necessarily require happiness. Once you accept who you are, the heart is happy. Since that day, the heart slept peacefully inside the individual and never bothered him again. Over to Shruti.
Thank you, Sarika, for giving us insightful speech. Now, I would like to just say a single line. That is, the whole world is an oyster and finding out pearls is up to you. With this, we are going to have our next segment, which is our keynote speaker, who will be having a talk show with our host, Manjeesh. And now, let me tell you, our guest, Mr. Vaibhav Nahata, is a CEO of Success Society International, and he is an inspirational speaker. He has also founded Smiley Mission. And now, to have him interviewed, we have our host, Manjeesh Pimplekar, who is an IT analyst at Tata Consultancy Services and a sports enthusiast, also a passionate marathoner. Over to you, Manjeesh.
Thanks a lot, Shruti. Thank you. I hope I am perfectly audible. Yes, thanks
You are
a lot.
perfectly audible and as handsome as you could be in a Saturday evening.
Oh my God. So
Oh, yeah.
who is that lucky boy just having few words for me also? Is it Vaibhav?
Oh yeah, that's me.
Oh, great. So you have already started impressing others by your kind words even before letting me ask you to do so. Great. But just one question before starting the interview. First, I would like to greet you. Kudos to you, man. You're doing a great job.
Thank you,
I
mate.
just
Thank
want
you.
you to read. Yes, sorry. I just want you to read what is written on the back of your that start small.
It says start
Nail it.
small, nail it, and then take it big. And it has been said by one of the people I really look up to. It's Ritesh Agarwal. And I'm sure many of you know him.
Great, great.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks a lot, Vaibhav, for sharing the same. And the same thing you can also witness here.
Okay.
In Umang. So we have also started small and we are trying to nail it and make it big.
I can see
with your
that
help
happen.
also. Great. So first of all, jokes apart. As you already don't need any introduction from my end, but still I would just like to tell others who are thinking or going that how can be our dreams become successful. You can see the man standing in front of you. Guys, he has a tag of CEO before his name starts. Even if you are thinking now it is not possible, just witness, be here for 30 more minutes. So Vaibhav, not taking much of your time, let's come to the point. First question first. Are you ready?
Do I look ready?
Of course.
Okay.
Great. So second question. That was my first question. Are you ready? Now the second question. So what does the word happiness means to you? It's a generic term when it comes in front of your mind, in front of you when somebody speaks. What does it makes you feel?
Beautiful. Just before I go into talking about what happiness means to me, thank you, Manjeesh, and thank you, Shruti. You know, I joined 1 to 2 minutes earlier, and I got to hear something really wonderful. You shared about the oyster and pearls thing. That was really amazing. Thank you for that. And yeah, we have oysters all around us, but I'm glad to be around a bunch of pearls being here in this room, and that's really amazing. So when it comes to happiness, you know, Manjeesh, most of us talk about happiness as a target, that yeah, when I get this, I'll be happy. Now, Manjeesh, if you've ever been a student, which I definitely know you are or have been, what happens is that it happens with me at least. Okay, it happened with me at least that I used to be like, एक बार एग्जाम खत्म हो जाए, उसके बाद मजा ही मजा, right? नानी के घर जाना है, मस्ती करना है, ये वो, and this all that, and then the exam is over. You go to Nani's house and you say, oh, bored हो रहे, school कब खुलेगा, right? So most of us, it's coming down to that part of time. I tried to question, you know, recently that what is happiness, you know. I chased it, I didn't get it, and it happened so many times to so many of us. कि ये मिल जाए उसके बाद happy होंगे, ये मिल जाए उसके बाद happy होंगे. And just when I'm going through all this puzzle, I met my nephew from Bikaner in India. So many of you who don't know, I'm from Nepal, Viratnagar, and I have my ancestors from Rajasthan. So here what I'm trying to say is that I met my nephew who's like 2 years old, and her name is Aradhya. So what happened is that I was with Aradhya, and then I met her. I said, hello, Aradhya. I had to talk with her some time back. We call, video call and stuff. And when I went to see her just recently, she saw me and started dancing. Yee! And I asked, kya hua, Aradhya? Kyun naach rahe ho? She's like, aise hi. You know, aise hi. And then that moment, I had a very amazing realization. You know, happiness is not about this or that. Okay, happiness is not about getting this or getting that, but it's about being like Aradhya, being happy for no freaking reason, right? Now, if I ask you, Manjeesh, people say that I want happiness in life. So what do you mean by you want happiness in life? Now, if I give you a choice, Manjeesh, either you can wear your pants or you can go to office, what would you do?
Either I can wear my bags, go to office. The other option?
No, the first option is either you can wear your pants,
okay.
And the other option is you want to go to office. What would you do?
Obviously, first option.
That's right, you know. But the thing is, happiness is not a freaking option. Many people say happiness will get you success. You know, success will get you happiness because wealthy people. Many people also, you know, have quotes like, you know, no matter if you're a Lamborghini or how much money, if you're sad, at the end of the day, it does not make any meaning. And people say that, you know, it's better to, you know, cry in a Lamborghini. I say, why? Crying is crying, right? You're crying and you're sorrowful. What the heck does that mean? Okay. So when I talk about happiness, it's basically, you know, you might have heard this because you have pearls all around us. So happiness, success does not bring happiness. Happiness does bring success. And when I see this is not just a statement. Now, I want you to look back. Okay, my mother recently started selling chocolates. Okay, some time back she had some issues because of some family issues. She had some mental issues, and she recently started selling chocolates and she started baking cakes, and she's happy like never before. She's enjoying, even though when she has to work till nights to get her orders filled because I'm trying to get her help, and all of this happening, and she's happy because she's doing something, right? So happiness is not about having things, but about, you know, it's a journey, right? जैसे again a simple question, आप खाना खाओगे या पैंट पहनोगे, right? आप पैंट पहनते हुए खाना खाओगे, right? It's not a choice. So आप आगे बढ़ते हुए खुश रहते रहोगे. It's not an option. It's something that goes along. Okay? आप ऑफिस कपड़े पहन, आप ऑफिस जाओगे कपड़ा पहनोगे, मैं कपड़े पहन के ऑफिस जाऊंगा, मैं खुश होकर अपनी जर्नी को कवर करूंगा. That's what I mean, and that's what we're talking about when we're talking about happiness. It's a journey.
Great one, great answer, Vaibhav. I just want to say that yes, your first answer came like direct here only. it's not coming here, it's coming here. So I can link it very well. Although when I was answering the question, I didn't knew the trick, but हाँ, obviously पैंट पहन के जाएंगे. और अभी क्या है, आपको एक राज की बात बताता हूँ. लॉकडाउन लग चुका है, तो हम सब लोग घर से ही काम कर रहे हैं.
I know what you're talking about. I know what you're talking about.
Great. तो आप जब बता रहे थे हैप्पीनेस के बारे में कि हैप्पीनेस क्या है, what you related, can I just summarize it in a way that happiness is realization? Do you agree?
Dev Tali, wonderful, amazing.
Thanks a lot. तो देखो, मैं बहुत जल्दी सीख रहा हूँ. आई एम अ क्विक लर्नर आपसे लाइव. तो अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. तो मुझे ऐसा पता चला कि आपने काफी लोगों को इंस्पायर किया है. अब वो भले ही आपके पढ़ने वाले जो गाल पे 2 डिंपल हैं उससे, या फिर आपके काम से. हाउ डू यू फील आफ्टर दिस? क्या आपको लगता है कि ये जो हैप्पीनेस जो आपके अंदर है, जो आप वाइब्रेशंस आउट करते हैं, जो हमें फील हो रहा है अभी आपसे 5 मिनट 10 मिनट बात करने के बाद में, क्या आपको लगता है कि ये चीज आपको इंस्पायर करने के बाद में, अदर लोगों को इंस्पायर करने के बाद में आपको सेटिस्फेक्शन देता है, या फिर इट्स अ पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ योर लाइफ?
What do you think, Manjeesh? What do you think?
I personally think, as per the 5 to 6 minutes of interaction, it's pure happiness, nothing else.
So number one thing over here is that, you know, no matter if it is Mitisha or Richa or, you know, Shruti or anyone in this room over here right now, you see, जब आप कोई काम करते हो and you can see the result happening, you can see that, oh yeah, मैंने ये काम किया, उससे ये result आया, right? When you can see that impact of your work, maybe you are making your chocolates and people are eating and say, wow, maza aaya, right? So whenever you see that impact happening, it is making your day and pushing you harder like anything. In my case, like I had this morning every day, like abhi lockdown ke time mein, this week I had 11 sessions in Canada, in Nepal, in India, in Bangladesh. So every day 2-3 sessions hote rehte hain, and this is an interview, right? And when we do it I do it in a seminar, webinar format. It's a completely different thing. People cry a lot, people laugh a lot, people dance a lot, so everything happens a lot. Okay, so जब उस format में करते हैं, then impact आता है, and I get messages just after my session that, wow, so this happened, my miraculous change life happened, and that is amazing. Okay, that's one thing. You get messages like that, and that inspires you. Okay, and that moves you. हर एक सेशन के बाद में I get tons of that messages, क्योंकि I don't believe in motivation. Okay, people call me motivational speaker, but I'll tell you what, Manjeesh. Okay, motivation is like after this completing session, let's say someone gets motivated and there's something like, yeah, I'm motivated. Okay, and रात को वो pen paper लेंगे, they'll take their notebook, write big dreams that I want to build a, you know, Fortune 500 company. सुबह 5 बजे उठ के मेरे को ये करना है, ब्रह्म मुहूर्त. Okay, this and that, and you'll get everything noted. ये कल तो record तोड़ देंगे, yeah. 5 o'clock alarm 3 मोबाइल में लगा लिया, and then when you wake up 5 o'clock alarm बजता है, टंग करके जूम को आपने snooze कर दिया, पता ही नहीं चला, and then when you wake up you like 10 बज गए, 1 घंटे और सो लेते हैं, and that's how it ends up. And that I am motivated turns into, am I motivated? और एक दिन के अंदर वही घोड़ा वही मैदान, right? So I'll tell you honestly, people call me a motivational speaker. I refer to myself sometimes, but you know, motivation is not about, you know, getting pumped up. Whenever you are pumped up, अगर आप में ये courage है कि आप अपना पेन और पेपर लिफ्ट करके एक गोल लिख सकें, small, राइट? जैसे इस सेशन के बाद में अगर कोई हमारे फ्रेंड एक सिंपल गोल ले सके कि कल मेरे को लेट्स से ये बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है, तो रातों रात बिजनेस खड़ा नहीं होगा ना ब्रो. What can happen is that you can refer to 7 people who are doing a similar business. You can call them and try to understand. You can do that research, right? So it starts small. That's why I put this always with me. Start small, nail it, and then take it big. And this is my vision board, right? These are the big dreams. I want to be to Grenada, to Mauritius, and this and that. These are bigger parts of things, right? But when I'm doing the work every day, जब मैं रोज थोड़ा थोड़ा कर रहा हूँ और मैं ये देख सकता हूँ कि ये छोटा उस चीज के ऊपर एड अप कर रहा है, then you know that, oh yeah, impact doing हो रहा है, right? And with all those messages, I'm really motivated. But every time I say मेरे को गोल कंप्लीट करके आप बताओ कि 7 days बाद, और 7 days बाद जो मैसेजेस आते हैं ना, कई बार 1 साल बाद मैसेजेस आते हैं, पेरेंट्स के कॉल रोते रोते कि आपने मेरे बच्चे के साथ क्या कर दिया. ओके, क्या कर दिया मतलब my friends are very very smart over there, huh? it's like she was not able to talk in front of her neighbors and friends and colleagues. She was so introverted and depressed. And I see the impact. She's transformed to one single session. How did that happen? And I say, that's what my life is about. राइट अभी हम एक वाउ स्पीकर्स बोल के प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं जहाँ यू नो लास्ट टाइम इंडिया के 4 कॉर्नर से लोग आए थे फ्रॉम पंजाब फ्रॉम Patna from different places, and if you have your son or daughter, if you're a young person right there, I would highly recommend you. Wow Speakers बोल के 5 day का प्रोग्राम होता है एकदम बेसिक से. जो लोग अपना यू नो Zoom में कैमरा ओपन करने से डरते हैं वो स्पीचेस देते हैं इतना जबरदस्त आफ्टर 5 days that you can see that impact. And that impact पेरेंट्स के जब कॉल आते कि मेरा बच्चा पूरी तरह चेंज हो गया, that's what pushes me hard. And that's what it's all about. And by the way, if you want, I'll share the link of the Wow Speaker program in the chat section.
For sure. I was just about to ask that how can we visit the same. So you
That's
have
right,
the answers of the question already. Connect है शायद, दिल से दिल का connection है.
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल.
तो आप जब अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बता रहे थे, एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा कि आपकी लाइफ में जब आपने स्टार्ट किया, कुछ तो ऐसा होगा जो आपको आगे बढ़ने के लिए हमेशा, अगर अपन इंग्लिश में बोले तो की टूल टाइप, समथिंग यू हैव व्हिच कीप्स यू मूविंग, तो वो क्या है?
Okay. Now you know when I was in my school, Manjeesh, do you know my age?
Not yet.
Okay, let's make any of our friend guess. We have our friend. Let me put out any random friend. That's okay, right? We have Mitiksha, right? We have Richa. Okay, Mitiksha, any guesses?
Yes, I guess you are 20. Am I right?
You are 20?
20-year-old.
Okay, any guesses, Richa ji? Okay, if any of our friends want to come on, let's burst it out in the chat section.
Yes. Chat में फटाफट से, मतलब क्या बोलूं मैं, अभी अपनी उम्र छोड़ के जो ये सामने बंदा दिख रहा है वैभव नाहटा, इनकी उम्र के बारे में गेस करिए. चलिए फटाफट. 22 पहला हमें मिल चुका है.
20 20. Okay, I'm getting personal messages like 23 years young. Okay.
पर्सनली ग्रुप पे भी बता सकते हैं, वो ऐसे डांटेंगे नहीं, चलेगा. पता चले कौन क्या गेस कर रहा है.
मैं डर गया, डांट पड़ेगा. Okay, 22. Okay. Now what do you think over there? Manjeesh, आपको क्या लगता है?
रफ राउंड ऑफ कर दूं मैं, अगर सबका एवरेज निकाल के, तो 21 ले लेते हैं अपन हिसाब से.
Okay, 21 ले लेते हैं. So I just turned, and now I'm not saying this to boast or anything because I'm very young in the journey I'm making. My startup is working good. We have started getting profitability, but we are very young at this point of time. Not to boast, to be very clear, I just turned 18 a month or 2 ago. Okay, I just turned 18 recently. And when you talk about all of those stuff, when I was in my school, okay, math, science, English, computer, karate, and basketball, I was good at none of them. But I was good at one thing. Now, Manjeesh, do you think all of us are good at one thing in life? At least कुछ ना कुछ खूबी होती है ना, right? Now, मेरा जो skill था ना, वो I was not just known in my classroom for that skill, but पूरा जो मेरा school का corridor है, पूरे school के जितने भी juniors, seniors है, teachers है, उन सबको मेरी एक skill के बारे में पता था. Now, can you guess what that skill is again, Manjeesh?
Public speaking.
You know, public speaking, when I used to go into my stage and try to speak up in front of people, I would, please. Okay. So what I was great at when I was in my school was getting beaten for no freaking reason. Okay. Now, when you talk about bullying, it's generally about seniors coming up to you, hitting you some punches, making fun of you. But mere saath, have you ever heard being bullied by your juniors? Now, that was me 3 years back. And when I look back right now, it has added up. So when you started me, how you started, or what was that turning point? It was something completely different, bro. Many people are like, मैं born बहुत अच्छा speaker हुआ था, this and that. No, bro. I used to write poems, and if in the end part आपने अगर मौका दिया तो अपने एक poem भी share करेंगे. हिंदी में मैं poems लिखता हूँ, inspirational types की. And then I used to try to recite them, and I was like class में वो शिवर करते करते पहले तो किया, उसके बाद क्लास में घुसते ही 2-4 लड़के लगा देते थे झूठ मूठ का, And that used to happen with me every single day when I was in my school. And right now, not again to boast, I've been able to speak to youth from 51 countries. Okay, I was the speaker at the Global International Teen Conference, which is one of the world's top conferences for teen leaders. I was the speaker over there. I'm the country director for Global Entrepreneurship Bootcamp for Nepal. And I'm not stating this to add up, but how this all happened, when I look back, it's just a freaking journey that happened. Okay, and how it happened, I had this soulmate. And how many of you have soulmates in your life? Just raise your hand. Okay. Manjeesh is like single and ready to mingle. No, bro. I'm not talking about that soulmate. My only soulmate was Roshan sir. And one other day when they are bullies and they are big bullies. Okay. Now there's this big bully named Sahil. He looked like Amitabh Bachchan and he sounded like the same. And he used to come up to me, he came and slapped me one other day. I was devastated and down. And I took the water bottle, poured it over my head. Why me always? And my spectacles fell like that. I went to the washroom, shouted out, my room mein gaya. I took the pillow, put it on one face and kept crying for one complete hour until Roshan sir came. Okay, my only soulmate, my tuition teacher. Okay, and he came to me and asked what happened. I was like, and he's like, what do you mean? I was like, and he's like, stop acting like this. Okay, you're not a dog right there. What do you mean? And he calmed me down, explained how all that happened. I said to him back, I said, Roshan sir, I'm not going to amount anything. I'm just a fool and I've become the most failure person in my classroom, this and that. And he asked me, what did you just say? I was like, I'll be worthless. I'll be a piece of shit. Now he literally grabbed my collar and said, don't you dare say that again, Wabham. You might be down and devastated right now, but where you are is not where you belong. Okay, so next day I went to Sahil for the first time in my life. I felt like Shah Rukh Khan. Now I was that, chunky Pandey, and I felt like Shah Rukh Khan, full of energy, enthusiasm. For the first time, I saw Sahil right in his eyes like that. Okay, and when I was seeing Sahil like that in his eyes, I went to him. I rolled my sleeves. आज तो एक पड़का देना अपने को भी. मैंने अपना मुक्का ready किया, and then I went to him and said, Roshan sir ने बोला है कि मुझे भी fight back करना चाहिए, and I did this to him. And guess what? Now from Shah Rukh Khan, I felt like bhai, Salman Khan. Apne to, I'm the world boss. I've done it. I've fought my fears. Now no one will bully me. Now if you had been just next to me 7 seconds from that, Sahil kept freaking chasing me and I kept running until I was caught again and beaten. Okay, that was me. But that day when I stood back with scars on my face and blood over my forehead, I said to myself, where I am is not where I belong. Many a time we fail, but I always say, just because you fail, you do not become a failure. Okay, just because you lose, you do not become a loser. Just because you fall down, you do not have to stay down, because one particular situation, circumstance cannot freaking decide who you are or who you are going to be. Right? Thoda jada okay, but just look at it. And then after that, ritually, मेरे को एक मौका मिला आपके Calcutta में. I've been a lot to India. Lockdown के कारण अभी बंद है. I keep traveling to India for my sessions. I had one in Bangalore, in Chennai, in Calcutta, in some parts of West Bengal, in Siliguri and all of that. In Mumbai, I was going to have one soon. And in Thailand recently, again, what happened is that when we do all of this over there, Manjeet, it was the 2017 session in Calcutta that brought a good impact into my life. And back from then, what happened is I put myself, I knew that motivation is like, yeah, wala thing that I shared you. And raat bhar mein it's become like, pahli purzat mein nikal. That's the attitude of motivation. It comes and goes away, right? And that's what is why I kept some goals मेरे को session करना, and then I make my proposal, first proposal. इस social media awareness के बारे में मेरे को एक speech देना है, and I get my proposal ready. इतने बड़े font में, the most unprofessional, अगर कोई book लिखा जाए ना, most unprofessional proposal ever written, that was mine. That would be my first page. So I got it written, but I had good energy and vibes. And that's why I went to 6 schools that day and gave my proposal कि मेरे को आपके लिए free session करना है for your school. And every one of them said that they'll call back, and I never got a call back, and I never did the session for them on social media. But if you'd been with me just 2 years from then, all of those schools are my paid clients at this point of time. Almost all of them, right? So it's basically about getting started. It's about, I always say, you know, jitne bhi sessions, I always say that, you know, listen to this carefully, okay? Jitna bhi simple sound kare, jitna bhi genuine lage, jitna bhi 10 baar suna mein lage, listen to this carefully. Realizing that you are a freaking champion is the second, you know, is the biggest day of your life. The second biggest might be your birthday, right? And the third biggest might be the anniversary of your fiance. Okay, no matter what that is. Okay, the very day that you realize you are champion, that's when you start living, Manjeet. And if I'm taking it too long, just let me say that one final thing over here. Okay, most people die at the age of 25 and are buried at the age of 80. And I say this with all the time. मैं जब अपने 60 years old, 50 years old, 40 years old, 30-year-old students के साथ भी, I don't call them students, I respect them, but मैं जब उनके साथ भी session होता है ना, I make them move their hands. Now, if this session, if all of our friends are comfortable, it would be really amazing. क्योंकि देखो अब मैं अगर if I ask everyone to open up their camera, there'll be a hesitation, right? आप 4 साल के बच्चे को बोलो कैमरा ओपन करने के लिए, वो नाचने लग जाएगा कैमरा ओपन करके, bro, right? And he don't know reason. कुछ नहीं, ऐसे ही नाच रही हूँ. Now let me do this experiment right here. We have pearls amongst us, so let's see what happens. Okay, so I have let's say 10-second count over here. Let's see how many of our friends open up their camera. Okay, let's see that.
So can I help you with the countdown? So it's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.5, 1.25, 1, आधा, पौना, 0.
Okay, okay. Now just to tell you, okay, Manjeet, this is how you get your audience interactive. Okay, you give them a dare and you make them do things. And we have all of our friends opening up their camera. If I would have said it right away, open kare camera, this wouldn't have freaking happened. You understand that? Now, even when our friends are opening up the camera, if all of us, can you give me a hi right there? Hi. Okay, let's put your right hand towards your nose and do a Okay, now Manjeesh, if you have the recording, please कौन है हमारे host? If you can enable hosting, you know, camera recording for me, it would be amazing. Okay.
Already live है, Facebook पे live है, सब कर रहे होंगे वहाँ पे.
Okay. I'm just getting this recorded to my PC as well for that reason. Okay, I'll fetch it from there. I'll ask my team to fetch. No problem. So if all of us can take our both hands, give me a hi. Okay, and then, okay, beautiful. And then let's take your left hand. Okay, let's take your left hand, put it over your ears and do. Okay, lipstick kharab ho raha hai, no issue at all. Now put your both hands, put it like this and do. That's what I'm talking about, you know. When we gotta be, when we are ready to be children's, when we put our mind into being able to think like that, वहीं पे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन शुरू होता है बॉस. और फिर I've been speaking too much, right? Okay, it's back to you, Manjeesh.
Absolutely
fine. आपके साथ बात करने में.
यही बात मैं बोलने वाला. आप मेरे मन की बात कैसे ले रहे हो? मतलब मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा. कुछ ना कुछ तो है बॉस, मिलना पड़ेगा अपने को.
है ना? बिल्कुल.
वो क्या गाना याद आ रहा मुझे, वो वाला एक है ना, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, तो वो चल रहा है दिमाग में. बट हाँ, बहुत अच्छी बात आपने कही. मैं अगर उसको थोड़ा सा दोहराना चाहूंगा, अगर तीसरा पॉइंट तो मुझे काफी अच्छा लगा, जो काफी उपयोगी है, पर पहले 2 पॉइंट उससे ज्यादा उपयोगी है. फर्स्ट कि जब आपको रियलाइज हो जाए कि हाँ आप जीनियस हैं, आप चैंपियन हैं. सेकंड पॉइंट, वो जो दिन जिस दिन आप जन्म लिए थे वो सेकंड आता है उसके बाद. और तीसरा तो ऑलमोस्ट आपका लास्ट दिन हो सकता है अगर आप भूलते हैं तो ये चीज सब याद रखें, क्योंकि आपको लड़की हो या लड़का, ऑब्वियसली अपने फियांसे का बर्थडे तो याद रखना पड़ेगा बॉस.
बिल्कुल है ना मंजीत, तो याद रखना चाहिए ना आपको.
बिल्कुल रखना चाहिए. बिल्कुल, मैं तो चाहूंगा कि मैं मतलब हाँ ठीक है, याद आ गया.
याद रखने का मौका मिले या मिला हुआ है?
नहीं बिल्कुल मिला हुआ है। आज मैं एडमिट कर देता हूँ लाइव फेसबुक पे, मतलब सारी जनता जो मुझे देख रही है वो बिल्कुल ये जान सकती है कि वैभव की तरह मैं भी कमिटेड हूँ। तो हम दोनों काफी अच्छे से
Yes, I'm very committed. Let me also be very honest. I'm very committed at this point of time, and I'm committed to these things over here.
Exactly.
Right? And I'm into their commitment. My love is too intense, you know. It's too intense.
Intense, passionate, dedicated. What else I can add?
It's just too passionate, you know. A Romeo and Juliet could be written out of it. Oh yeah.
Okay, fine. Thanks, Vaibhav. Just a minute. I would just like to request Shruti, if we can have 2 minutes. हिंदी में बोल लेता हूँ यार, काफी दिक्कत होती है क्या बॉस? अगर हमारे पास 2 मिनट है तो मैं थोड़ा सा और आगे बढ़ सकता हूँ क्या श्रुति?
Yes, we can. Yes, we can.
बहुत अच्छे। तो वैभव, आपको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दे रहा हूँ मैं, मतलब मेरा सौभाग्य देख रहे हैं आप, मतलब कितना लकी हूँ मैं। तो आपको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दे रहा हूँ मैं, आपके ऊपर पता नहीं मुझे किताब लिखी गई है या नहीं लिखी गई है, अगर लिखी जाती और मान लो अभी आप वापिस मुझसे क्वेश्चन शूट करोगे तो मैं पहले ही बोल देता हूँ मैं राइटर हूँ, तो उसके इंडेक्स पेजेस पे क्या क्या चैप्टर्स के नाम होंगे?
That's a good question, to be honest. लेना था ना, वो क्या बोलते ना, घुमा के लेना था, मौका मिल गया आपको? हाँ?
इसके पीछे
लगे हुए किस तरह से मेरे को दिख रहा है आगे का तो सब खाली कुकिंग चल रहा था, मैं तो यहाँ पे दाल डाल रहे, तड़का डाल रहे, राइट? बट आई एम गॉडडैम प्रिपेयर्ड. सो द थिंग इज, इट्स नॉट अबाउट प्रिपरेशन, यू नो. मैंने बहुत टाइम से सोचा हुआ है, जिस दिन मैं बुक लिखे, नाउ आई डोंट नो व्हेन दैट हैपेंड, मैं अपने इफ कोई नहीं लिखा ना 2 पन्ने अपने में लिख के रिलीज कर दूंगा किंडल पे. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट if I write my autobiography someday, or if I would like to get it written, it would be Suited Man in the Cycle. And that is for a reason, because I run my TV show over here. I ran my TV show over here some time back, and used to, like, my father works for a cement company over here. And then, you know, it's like, I'm not trying to boast again. I'm 18. I'm trying to do something. My SSI, my company, my TV show, the Global Entrepreneurship Bootcamp Country Director, the Smiley Mission, and all of that at the same time. But although my father works well, he works amazing, and he gives all. Mera hamesha se mission hai, because my father is a self-made man. I want to be self-made, right? And so, no matter how many I did not put any appliances that could help me get more comfortable into my home until now, right? Everything. मेरे को सब कुछ अपने ऊपर build करना है. When I have buying my printer for myself, it must be out of my own money that I'm making, right? And all of that. So for me, Suited Man in the Cycle comes up from a history. I ran my TV show out of my own in the national television, और वो भी मैंने CEO को 10 बार घूंचा करके अलग अलग तरीके से, मेल एड्रेसेस से, कहाँ से फोन नंबर निकाल करके कॉल करने के बाद में I got my TV show and I run it over here right now, जिसमें हर वीक कभी माउंटेन, you know, if you can watch in Makalu Television, I'll share you my YouTube channel once again so that you can reach out over there, watch wonderful episodes and all. So her week we have some, last time we are going to have very soon Everest climber, motivational speaker, usse pehle world champion of public speaking 2019. You are into Toastmasters? Who's that? It's Aaron Beverly, right? Aaron Beverly. Right. If you know, 1919 world champion, it's Craig Ballantyne. He's one of my mentors over there. Considered the best speaker by speaker trainer. He's my mentor. So all of these things happening, you know. When I say Suited Man in the Cycle, it comes up with the context that every single day I used to ride hours, you know, not hours, but a long while to get to my TV show office. I used to run my TV show in the national television. I used to get back. Just imagine a man wearing a suit in the cycle and riding in the road. Right? And that used to be, I love that, doing that even now, because you feel like people kya bol rahe apne ko goddamn dena hi nahi hai. So that would be Suited Man in the Cycle. In the index page, one thing that would definitely be there is getting beaten in the main road with slippers. That would be definitely a chapter, because 2-2.5 साल पहले मेरा दोस्त तुषार मेरे को डबल राइडिंग सिखा रहा था साइकिल में, एंड व्हेन आई वाज लर्निंग दैट आई गॉट फुल ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस. अगेन रजनीकांत वाली फीलिंग आ गई. सो सुबह रोड में कोई नहीं था, तब चला लिया, अपने रजनीकांत बन गए. शाम को टर्न में तुषार उतर गया और एक लेडी को मेन रोड में बीच में लग गया. नाउ जनरली वुमेन कहते ना काइंड है, माता है, this and that, with all due respect, उस दिन उनके अंदर से काली माता निकल गई और मेन रोड के बीच में चप्पलों से मार पड़ी मेरे को. right? So that was 2 to 3 years back again, and that would be definitely a chapter, because ever since I've been a cautious rider. Bike चलाने के लिए मेरे को अपने आप को convince करने में कम से कम 6 महीने लगे कि भैया चप्पल तो नहीं खाना है अब. So that's how it is, and yeah, something would add up, and I would love to have this session as well as a part of it, because Manjeet, you are amazing, and you are really amazing.
Means you're now taking my lines, bro. These are all my lines. These are all in my
कुछ चुरा लिया क्या?
Right. चलो, तो इतना अच्छा सफर जो रहा अपना 20-25 मिनट का, ऑल्दो टाइम के कारण अपन सब बाउंडेड हैं. एक लास्ट एंड फाइनल क्वेश्चन, अगर आप हमारे ऑडियंस के लिए छोड़ना चाहें कुछ भी मैसेज, एक स्मॉल सा, बड़ा सा, जैसा आपको मन लगे, a small message or a big which you want to leave your audience with, what it will be.
Beautiful. Before I get into that part, okay, I'll ask all of our wonderful friends over here, if you have a child that is below 18, or if you yourself are below 23, raise your hand over here. Okay, in the screen, or you can just type down yes in the chat section. Beautiful. Okay. Now my answer is very simple. It's something very, very simple over here. मैं कोई motivational speaker का कोई punch line नहीं लेके आना चाहता हूँ. Anything else, because you all know what motivation is, right? Manjeet, can you show me what motivation is? A journey from here to
सुबह तक की.
So it's like motivation works, but consistency बहुत लंबा complex theory. मैं अपने sessions में explain करता हूँ. So to all of our wonderful people watching this, एक session के बाद में bro, sister, दीदी, auntie, mummy, किसी की मम्मी, whoever is over there, just make sure you take one small milestone. Okay, one small milestone. बहुत छोटा हो सकता है, bro. जाके ये भी हो सकता है कि मैं अपना एक vision board design करूँ, like this one right here. Now, if you can see my vision board, this is one thing in my vision board. मैं pin उठा लेता हूँ. Okay, this is my vision board का एक thing है. Can you see this over there, Manjeet? Now,
बिल्कुल देख पा रहा हूँ मैं.
बीच में आइडेंटिफाई कर पा रहे हो?
राइट. बिल्कुल स्वामी विवेकानंद जी को देख पा रहा हूँ मैं. कॉर्नर पे आपका हाथ है, देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ. बाकी बीच में एक बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर है, उसके बगल में उभरता हुआ सितारा है वैभव, और उसके आगे अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन. वाओ, नाइस. मतलब मुझे कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा, इतने बड़े बड़े नाम है उसमें.
Now if you see any photos of mine into Instagram or Facebook, anything, you'll see this thumbs up. That's my signature pose over there. So इसमें क्या था, मैं सबके फोटो खुद, जैसे मेरे को इतना मुश्किल से इनका एक फोटो मिला था of Albert Einstein giving a thumbs up. और मेरे one of the mentors I look up to is Demosthenes. I don't know if you know him, but Demosthenes, अब उनका तो स्कल्पचर है, तो मैंने क्या किया, इमोजी निकाला इसका, and then उनके आर्म में चिपका दिया. If you can see that closely, right? So it can be as small as making your own vision board. कुछ भी बहुत छोटा हो सकता है, bro, sister, anything. लेकिन कुछ लिखो यार, कुछ लिखो. And मैं गारंटी करता हूँ, अभी आपने लिख लिया ना, क्योंकि आप pumped up हो, क्योंकि आप motivated हो, I promise you, it is bound to happen. Okay? And at the end, मैंने आप सबको एक promise किया था कि I asked the age thing because we do this program called the Wow Speakers. This is not again a promotion, but I say this with proud. पहले मेरे को promotion करने में शर्म आता था, Manjeet, that how can I promote things, etc. But now I feel कि मैंने सही में transformation लाया है. Then why not speak about it? Why not benefit other people out of it? Right now, we have two choices over here. I can share you a very quick video over here about how the session looks like, overview. But I think there might be time constraints. Okay. अगर time constraints है, no problem. We let's not go for the video. Do we have time constraints? Yes.
Yes, we do.
Okay. So what we can simply do over here is that एक काम आप क्या कर सकते हो? I've shared the link. If you have your son over 5 or between 10 to 18 or even 23 तक, 10 to 23 का session होता है. In fact, we have principals, who run their school, and 10 साल के बच्चे learning at the same platform. We have teachers from Punjab last time. And if you want to developing your public speaking from the very base, I invite you to the Wow Speaker. Okay,
Sure.
I invite you, and I see this with pride. I see with no hesitation, because हमने impact लाया है, and the impact and transformation is possible. I've shared the link in the chat section as well over here, and you can register for it right now as well, because last time they had many issues, because we don't take more than 30 people in a batch. We don't charge high. We don't just, it's just a way to, if you don't charge, it becomes very, very, बहुत ज़्यादा normalized हो जाता है. So we charge a very small amount for it, and then you can join all of that. And I have one final request. It's going to be very, very simple. But before I go into it, if you have any formalities over there, my friend, let's go for it, and then I'll jump into the last part of my session.
We are all done with the sections. Weber, it's
Okay.
over to you, final points.
Okay, so over here when they do Toastmasters is amazing, and all the events are amazing. But when this part comes, Asan Grahan, I would like to welcome G, and they'll be like, right? So that's amazing over here. We are into that final part, and I'm asking for something very, very simple, very, very simple. Okay, it won't require any effort of yours, and I'm going to screen share to show all of you about that. So just give me one moment, just one moment. Till then, what I'll do is that I promised you one thing as well in the beginning, that I'll share one of my poems, and I'm going to do that with all of you right now. So can we do that, brother?
Yes, bro,
Yes.
you can
Okay.
do.
Okay. So it's.
Sorry to interrupt. This is we are quite late.
Okay.
Sorry.
Can we make it in next 2 minutes?
Done. Okay. So let's keep it that way. So one very simple thing you can go is, we can go to my YouTube again, and you can write down there Vaibhav Nahata. I invite you to watch the videos and learn. We have wonderful episodes coming up over there. We have, and then in Instagram, this is a very request. If you can come up to Instagram and in the Champion Vaibhav, I just started out with my Instagram. So if you can just text me how your experience was in today's session, no matter how it was, बहुत boring कर दिया Vaibhav, या नींद से उठा दिया, whatever boring it was, please make sure, okay, you write to me at Champion Vaibhav. It's over here.
Right.
And please share your experience about today's session. And that's all from my end. A final request over here. Please make sure you share your experience in the chat. One final request. Can we ask all of our friends to open up their camera for last 10 seconds?
I think
Okay.
they are there. Yes. I
Okay.
can see people
Yes,
switching
yes,
their videos
yes.
on.
Beautiful. So what we're going to do, Akshay, with a yo over there is, when I say we are we, who are we? We're going to take our right hand towards the top, and we are going to shout out, we are champions. Is that okay, Manjeet?
Right.
Now, agar koi haath nahi utha raha na, we are going to interpret that they have Ghamoria. Okay? Okay. So many of our friends still not opening camera. Koi baat nahi hai. Okay, no problem. On the count of 3 to 1, who are we?
We
are
the
champions. Okay. For the final time, who are we?
We are the champions.
Oh yeah, thank you so much, Manjeet. Thank you so much, Priya ji, especially for inviting me. Priya ji is a wonderful psychotherapist, and she's doing a wonderful work with her online sessions. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you, Manjeet, for being a wonderful guest. Also, let me thank Shruti, who shared a wonderful quote that I'm taking away with the session, which was about oysters and pearls. That was really amazing. And Manjeet, bro, you're boss, right? I run my TV, so I say this with utmost honesty. You have really a good way to connect with people. Thank you, Mitisha. I'll just acknowledge everyone real quick. Thank you, Richa, Mitisha, Mitiksha, Shruti, Trishla, Sivangi, Akshay, Sonali, Vanshika, Sharika, Varun, Priya, Zoom Master Ji, Yatika, Raghav, Parul, Manjeesh, Harshit Ji, Rashu, Rakshwana, Shubham, Madhushri, Vaishnavi, Shalini, and Punjabi, and Simi, and Chabra. Thank you so much, everyone. It was an amazing Saturday night with you. And now, after this, I'm going to have some fun with my books today, the party day with books and books.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Weber. I just wish you luck and wish you more hard work and patience with your life, because the thing which you are doing requires patience a lot. And
Beautiful.
With few times which a few seconds which I can say I have, I would just like you all to know that there were two main basic takeaways which I can say are there from the session which we have with Weber. The first one is the way you are now is not the place where you belong. So keep hustling, keep moving. And the second one, just because you fail, you cannot become a failure. So with these lines, I would just like to hand over the control to our host, Shruti Shivhare. Over to you, Shruti. Thanks a lot.
Very big thanks to Vaibhav and Manjeesh for conducting a great session. Now to carry forward and to present the vote of thanks, I would call Richa over here, our next host. May we have Richa on spotlight?
Hi Shruti, am I visible and audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay, thank you. So thank you so much, Vaibhav, for those insightful words, I would say. And I have a lot of key takeaways from the session. I would like to start with motivation is not about being pumped up. As you mentioned that we might be pumped up today, and there are a lot of other ways of being pumped up which are actually legal in other countries, but okay, let's not talk about that. The second one is that is the call to action, where you can refer to 7 people and then can learn if you really aspire to do something. And the vision board was a winner. I loved it, and I actually maintained a planner in which I note down everything, and also a set of sticky notes that used to be there on my desk. But I believe I need a vision board now because after all, goals are dreams with deadlines. So thank you so much. And also, as we are moving to the next segment, I would request Haritosh to please share the PPT.
Okay, just one final second. I want to say bye-bye to everyone. I'll be waiting for your messages. And if anyone wants to know more about the Wow Speaker, the form is lying in the chat section. Thank you so much once again, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Weber. So, Weber, this is our token of thanks for you. Is he still there? Okay, I believe he left. We can move on to the next segment.
Should we start the polling now?
Yeah, Haritosh, you're saying something?
I was saying, should we start the Zoom poll now?
Yeah, right, exactly. So we can have polling now. Haritosh will launch a poll and you can vote for the best speaker, best performer, best tall tale speaker, and best performance.
So you should be seeing the polling option on your screen. We have got about 30% votes, so yeah, please do that.
Okay. I think we can wait for 30 more seconds and then we can proceed. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, we have close to 75% votes. So
okay,
let's give 5 more seconds.
Yeah.
All right, I'm done. You can take a break.
Okay. So we can move on with the Umang presentation. Then Haritosh.
Okay. Give me 1 second.
So as my co-host Shruti started off with our event's name and also its purpose, its meaning, I would like to continue on the same lines, but add more details. idea behind Umang was to cherish the changes being done for the society. Now, when we talk about the changes, it means that we'll be inviting 5 torch bearers every week, also coming up with new themes every week, and all of them will be talking about different changes that they brought in the society or how they brought changes in people's lives. So we'll be acknowledging them. For example, in today's week, we had Vaibhav Nahata, who is a TV presenter, a CEO, and I should say teen CEO, and we had loads of learning from him. Similarly, in the preceding weeks, we'll be having 4 more torchbearers who will be talking about different things. The next thing is to bring in awareness that even after all the negative things seem to overpower, positive changes can bring about a transformation. Now, as we know, in these times of pandemic, we are actually looking for happiness, even if we say that we are not, but we actually seek happiness. So this can be a medium of expressing ourselves so that we can focus on the positive part. It is a common platform which is used to share the views, and also you can come up with your prepared speeches, poetry, singing, dance act, artwork, anything that you do, and we'll be able to help you with that and present it. So Umang talks about a new beginning: engage, enhance, empower, and evolve. Now, what is the mission of Umang? We are here to create an impact on the society and make them aware of positive changes that can be brought and acknowledge the torchbearers of change. If I talk about the vision, it is to create awareness among a larger audience that even without the resources, we can still contribute for good to the society and bring in positive changes. Now, how to be a part of it? So if you are interested, you can go and register on the link to participate. We open links on every Sunday at 12 noon and we close it on Tuesday 12 noon. Every week we select 8 participants who are there for prepared speech, storytelling, poetry, singing, dancing or artwork, as you saw in this week. The best participants move forward to the semi-finals, and then we have the final clash of the titans in the finals or the final week. And the last part is the registration. So if you want to attend Umang, do you need to register? What do you think? If you are a participant, then yes. But if you are an attendee, then it's open for all. So you can just follow our pages on Facebook and Instagram and join the meeting. Okay, so we'll be moving on to the acknowledgement part. So first of all, the keynote speaker, Vaibhav Nahata. Moving on to the prepared speakers, the first speaker, Parul Chauhan. You can give a virtual round of applause to her. Come on, people, just a click. The next speaker, Varun. Now coming on to poetry. We witnessed 2 great poems. The first one was Akshay Singh. And the second one, Sonali Pandey. Moving on to the tall tales. The first one, Yatika Gupta. And the second one, Sarika Chaudhary. Now moving on to the performers who stole our hearts with their melodious voices. First of all, Rakshana Bala. And the second one, Vaishnavi Sharma. We were glad to have you. Thank you so much for participating. Now it's time for meeting the team. So who is Umang's team? Any guesses? Yes, so we have our event chair, Shruti, interview chair, Priya and Manjeesh, registration chair, Haritosh, PR chair, that's me, PR co-chair, Trishla, content chair, Abhay, content co-chair, Mitiksha, entertainment chair, Shivangi, and entertainment co-chair, Harshit. Can we have a round of applause for all? For putting up the show?
Applause for all.
Now, for the next week, as I said, we release the links on Sunday 12 noon. But what is the theme? Any guesses? Okay, we'll reveal it to you. So the theme is Breaking Barriers, Badhao ke Pare. And you can register using the QR code or the link that is given. So this is all from my side. Over to you, Shruti.
Everyone who have attended, it was a great experience having you all over here. Yes, we are 10 minutes late and definitely this will be taken care. But thanks a lot for having all of you here at single platform, and we were able to put up a great show. Thanks a lot. And do not forget to register at 12 noon sharp tomorrow for week 2 Umang, a ray of hope.
And we have the results. Should I announce or should we do it after 3 weeks?
Announcing the results.
Okay. So our best prepared speaker is Parul Chauhan. A big round of applause to her. Best poetry is Sonali Pandey. Best tall tales or storytelling speaker, Sarika Chaudhary. And best performance, Rakshana Bala. Over to you.
Congratulations to all the winners, and we will be witnessing you in the coming up semi-finales, and we will be sharing the certificates with you. Thank you all, and